Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to another Stamp Club reveal. This one is for October of 2025, our original club. I love this set. You're going to love it too. You're going to find so many ways to use it in our samples. I can't wait to show you. They actually have my mouth watering this morning as we were working on them. So check this one out. Oh, wait a minute. You're not a member of our club? Why not? Join the club. You get a never before seen stamp set mailed to your door every month. And as a club member, you receive 15% off most of your purchases in our store. And all the information to sign up is in the description below. All right, here we go. Ready for this? This one is called Sweetie Pie. Look how cute this is. This little pie is so precious. That little slice on the little plate. And let's look at the sentiments because they are adorable. How about, may your day be sweet as pie. Hope you're feeling better soon. You, my friend, are sweet as pie. Happy birthday, sweetie pie. Sometimes you just need the whole pie. You ever felt that way? I have. And then any way you slice it, I'm thankful for you. You get the pie on a plate and you get the whole pie here. This is little blackberries or raspberries, whichever way you want to do it. You've got peaches or apples or any sliced fruit here. You've got a little bit of whipped cream, some blueberries, and then these right here are little steam whiffs, like if you have a little steam coming out of the pie. So stinking cute. Let me show you my samples. I say mine and Shannon's sample. Let me show you Shannon's. This is so cute. Hers is a little bit of pumpkin pie. We both love pumpkin pie. That's something that we agree on, is our love of pumpkin pie. And she has not had any this year. I haven't had any pumpkin pie this year. I have had some pumpkin spice, but she decided to make this cute little pumpkin pie slice card. I love this. Now, this is the pie on the plate slice with the whipped cream on top. I think that is adorable. And it says, any way you slice it, I'm thankful for you. A little bit of Bow Dabber wire because it's one of our faves, and I think it turned out great. Now let me show you mine. I had a little bit of fun with this. I wanted to do something I've never done before, and that is lattice the background. I don't know if you can see this, but that is a dimensional lattice background back there, and I've got my little pie on top, and it says, you, my friend, are sweet as pie. Now I'm going to show you how to do this tomorrow in our 2 p.m. live show. I have a little trick to make this go real easy, and I think you'll like it, and then you'll be able to recreate this in your pie cards. But you will be able to do this so many different ways. You could do just the lattice with any of the sentiments. That would be super cute. But I think adding that little bit of pie is so cute. All right, you guys, we only have the 2 samples today because it's just me and Shannon making them, but I think they turned out really, really cute. And that is our stamp set for this month, Sweetie Pie. I cannot wait to see what you guys do with it. You always do so much better than we do. And you can share your projects with us on our customer gallery at maymaymadeit.com, or our Facebook group, which is called Maymay Made It, and so did I. Now, if you share a project made with this stamp set on our customer gallery, whether you're a club member or not, if you use this stamp set, it enters you to win this month's $50 gift card. And yes, you can purchase our stamp sets if you aren't in the club. Just in the club, you get a better discount and you get that 15% off. But if you're not in the club, you just pay regular price for it, so you can purchase it. All right, you guys, thanks so much for being part of our club. I cannot wait to see what you make. And until next time, bye now.